Top two go to our final four on deck. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Oh boy, they're saying. Will it be Hawaiian Hammer? Will it be the Ginger Kid? Will it be Jake T? Or will it be Creed 6? The next lap and a half to decide. Not seeing too much grouping. They're all spaced out by about a gate and a half. Hawaiian Hammer, your leader, high side to the tower towards the dive gate. Then we're going to follow suit with Creed 6. Then the Ginger Kid 14. And now little battery bounce for Jake T off to the right-hand side. He's back up and running. Look at this. Almost too wide to our hurdle section. Hawaiian Hammer along with Creed 6 right through that gate. 0.4 of a second apart after lap number 1. On to lap number 2. Here's a battle for the 3-4, but you want to be first or second to stay alive. Otherwise, you just finished in the top 6 of the next 16 of the 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship. This is the race to the championship. The final 4, earning those team points. Hawaiian Hammer in that stitch it up section. Ginger Kid biting it hard into the middle of our course. We got some gapping. Got a little bit of separation. Here comes Hawaiian Hammer over the hurdle. Split S to our start finish gate. Hawaiian Hammer going to our final 4. Who's going to join them? Creed 6 pulling up second across the line. Hawaiian Hammer and Creed 6, go get your quad, strap another lipo, as you're up right now in our final 4 of the next 16. 5th overall in the group will go to Jake T. 6th overall in the group will go to the Ginger Kid. Let's grab your gear. I'll do the slip and slide.